Let's make some bookmarks made out of cutting mats. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I start with some Cricut printable sticker paper. It's clear. I use my inkjet printer. Here it is. And I always use my heat gun just to dry it, just to make sure that it's really on there. Then I cut the strips. I made these in Canva, by the way. It's all based off of Proverbs 31. Perfect. And then I got these cutting mats at Dollar General. There are 3 of them for $1. And here we go. All right. So I measure the cutting mat across, and it's like 7 inches. So I'm going to do the same thing for this printout. I'm just going to cut it to 7 inches. I think the width is probably about 2 inches. I didn't cut I didn't measure the width on each of them. So, and then I just take the adhesive, not the adhesive, the backer. I take the backer off and I just adhere it to the mat. I did put a little paper on top of it as I made sure that it was stuck down there just because I didn't want to scratch the top. And then I just cut it out. Like, yeah, it's that easy. I mean, stop it. Look at how cute this is. Now you can stop right there, but you know I can't. So, and then I'm going to use this We Are Memory Keepers. It's just a little corner rounder. You don't have to do this part, but holy Toledo, look at how good it looks. Looks like, now you could stop there. Again, you know I won't. I'm using a hole punch, and then I had gotten this chiffon ribbon. Listen, I should have read not the directions, but the description. I thought they were much bigger. They're not. They're tiny, but it's so precious. And I love the color, and they're very subtle. So I just stacked a couple colors with a piece of lace, and I cut it to 10 inches. Easy peasy, right? And then I'm going to take that, I just kind of roll it all together and then put it through the hole we made on our bookmark. This one I actually folded in half and put the folded part through the hole, and then put the tails through that, through the loop that we made, and then just tighten it up. Ta-da! Look at how pretty it is. Look, now you could do all of them like that, right? But I did the other colors. I did the same process with cutting and sticking and all of the things, putting the hole in. I also have my chiffon ribbon, stacked them. But this time I'm going to put the chiffon ribbon in I didn't loop it. I just put it through normally. And then I'm going to take a wood bead, and I'm going to put a wood bead so that it holds it at the very end. It is a little bit of a wider hole for the wood beads so that I could fit all of the ribbon through it. But holy Toledo, look how pretty this is. Oh, if I had different colors, I probably would have used more vibrant colors. But you know what? I'll be honest. I am kind of loving it. It's got like a boho kind of vibe to it. And again, I did the same thing with these. I'm just showing you the different ways that you could do it. This one I didn't put as much, and it was a lot easier to put the bead in. But, you know, again, you do however you want. But are you kidding me? What great gifts would these make? I mean, what? Give them with a Barnes & Noble gift card or an Amazon gift card or their favorite book. Or how about this? How about you make some for yourself? Because I don't know about you, but I always need reminders of who I am, what the Bible says I am, all of the things, right? Whew. Anyways, friends, look at how fun this is. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.